Hey, didn't see you there. Today we'll be making simple circuits with products you've already used before. You'll be making your own unique designs, trying to figure out how to turn the light on. Let me show you how to do it. Before we're able to make this and turn on the light, we have to learn how to make a simple circuit. Now let's go over our simple circuit. First we have is our power source, or the battery. Without the power source of the battery, the LED light doesn't turn on. Next we have our conductors. This connects our power source to our LED light. Without the conductors, the electrons aren't able to flow through the LED light in the battery. Next we have is our LED light. As you can see, the positive side is longer and the negative side is shorter with the wires. With these LED lights, you always have to have positive to positive and negative to negative.
So what we will be needing for our simple circuit will be paper, pencil as a conductor, LED lights, tape to hold down the LED lights, and a 9-voltage battery as our power source.
Hey guys, the first step of making your simple circuit will be drawing your design using a normal graphite pencil. It can be as simple or as complicated as you want it. I'll show you. I'm just going to be drawing a simple circle using my graphite pencil. Graphite is a conductor because electrons can easily flow through it. When drawing your design, you want there to be gaps on either side so that you can put your battery and your LED light on your design. You want to label one side as positive and one side as negative, and do the same on the other gap. This way you know where the positive part of your battery will be and where the positive part of the LED light will be. From here, you want to make your line as thick as possible. You want to do this because the thicker your line is, the brighter your light will be. Remember that.
To our circuit light. So our shorter wire is the negative and the longer wire is the positive, and we will be connecting that to our simple circuit. So what I usually recommend is bending the wires and taping them up. And now off to our 9-voltage battery. So as you can see that there's a negative and a positive sign. So as we labeled it in our simple circuit, we're going to put the plus with the plus and the negative with the negative. Voila! As you can see, our LED light has turned on.
So if you've completed your circuit and your LED light isn't lighting up, take some time to investigate. Is your LED light taped securely? Is the positive side of the LED lined up with the positive side of the battery? Is your graphite line thick enough?
No, it's not.
Take some time to find out. Here are two completed graphite circuits, both in the shape of a circle, but this one has thicker lines and this one has thinner lines. What do you notice about the one with thinner lines?
It's dimmer.
Exactly. The thicker the lines, the brighter your light will be. Questions to ask yourself are, is my light as bright as I'd hoped it would be? And what can you do to your design to make the light brighter? Look around at your friends' designs. What do you think about them? No. Here are 2 examples of creative circuits that we put together. Feel free to experiment with your design. Think outside the box. Use your creativity and critical thinking. Look at your friends. Observe. Change your design however you see fit. Make your lines thicker to make your light brighter and your life brighter.